You're welcome once again to this channel, and thank you for choosing this channel. If today happens to be your first time watching my video, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and share it to your friends. So today's video we are going to look at how to search for housekeeping job with visa sponsorship. How are you going to search for housekeeping job with visa sponsorship in different locations like US, like Germany, like UK, and so on. Okay, so we will be using Indeed. So all what you have to do is to just go to your browser and search for Indeed. Now when you get there, you just go to their search bar and search for housekeeping with visa sponsorship, or visa sponsorship for housekeeping. Visa sponsorship for housekeeping. You will get thousands of jobs that they have been posted there, and these companies and these agencies are looking for housekeepers. So all I have to do is just go through the job, read their job requirement. If you meet the requirement, then you start your application. Most of them will require you to submit your resume and cover letter. I did a video on how to create your own resume and cover letter, but if you don't even know how to go about it, you don't even know how to do your resume and then your cover letter, you can contact me and I will get you one. But take note, terms and condition applies to that. Without much ado, bye bye.